Oh, there's a big old cutty up here. I just saw him. Big brook. Big brookie. Big brook. Oh my gosh. Unless that's a cut. Oh my gosh, I think that's a brook trout. It's huge. Big brook trout. I haven't been terribly concerned with these brookies, but I want to catch this one. This is a stud brook. Oh wow. Great big old brook trout. Got him. Wow. Maybe what I thought was a cut was this brook. Oh my gosh, look at this brook trout. Flies out. Wowzer. Look at this brookie. Holy moly. Look at that, dude. What it is. Oh, it's a big cut. Big cut. I think he's tail hooked on the zebra midge. Just switched over to it. Big cutty. Try to get him over here without popping him off. Nice fish. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Chasing cutthroats. Oh yeah. Beautiful fish. Zebra midge. GoPro, stop. Ah, another one. Another big cut, just smoked that thing. This is incredible. Another big cut. That is a nice one. I'm gonna chase these fish down. Oh. Gosh, they're strong. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, flies out. Oh my gosh, that was sick. That was a sick eat. Another big cutty. That was sick. Kind of looks like a rainbow. I think it's a cut. Yeah, big cut. Wow, look at that fish. Oh my gosh. Look at that cutthroat, guys. Holy moon. Wow. Wow. Look at this cutthroat trout. Oh my gosh. Wow, guys, this hole is just loaded with cutthroats. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Oh my gosh, that was sick. That was a sick eat. I'm sitting on my butt. Look at this. Look at this. Beautiful, beautiful brook trout. Wow. Look at that. Oh, another one just swirled on it. Guys, this is crazy. This is crazy. Another little cutty. Oh, sick eat. That was a sick eat. Oh, he gone. Oh my gosh, huge cutthroat, I think. Yeah, that's a cutty. That was sick. Oh my gosh, that was sick. That was sick, sick, sick. Oh. Another nice big cut. Ah. Had to pull him off. Oh, they're just hammering.